God so much because He really cares a lot. I believe God is still the great healer of all times. And yet, He uses people like LFSI team to show us the true meaning of optimum health. I am amazed sa nagawa talaga ng Ozonizer sa buhay naming family kasi ang mga anak ko dati-rate sa akin din. So, nung in-introduce sa akin ng friend ko yung Ozonizer, ang galing, namangha talaga ako. And so, pinilit ko yung husband ko na magkaroon. And then, nung nakita ko, little by little, nakikita ko yung progress ng mga anak ko, doon na talagang bumilib ako. At ganun din yung husband ko bumilib. Kahit yung cholesterol level niya talagang unti-unting bumaba. So, yun na yung maintenance niya daily.
Yung sa anak ko na siya po ay na-diagnose ng acute gastritis, mabuti na lang po na nakilala po namin yung Ozonizer 2C. So, nung nakilala namin yung Ozonizer, hindi na po kami nag-aalinlangan, bumili po kami ng machine at yun po, gaya po ng sinabi ng may-ari po na mag-o-ozonize po kami ng tubig tapos paiinumin lang po namin yung aming anak. Mula noong 2007, June, hindi namin nakakalimutan yung pagbili namin. Nung pinainom namin yung anak namin ng ozone water, siya po ay gumaling. Hanggang ngayon po, hindi na po bumalik yung kanyang karamdaman.
Both my husband and I were diagnosed with kidney crystals. After mga 2 weeks ng gamit namin ng Ozonizer, nagpa-ultrasound kami ulit sa Cebu City. We were shocked to know na both my husband and I were free from kidney crystals.
Last January 2009, na-schedule ako for operation sa aking ovarian cyst. Sa awa ng Diyos, kasi meron akong kaibigan na na-introduce ng Ozonizer, kaya hindi natuloy yung operation ko.
I had a very high cholesterol level. I also had at that time an erratic blood pressure. I finally bought my first unit of Ozonizer. 4 months, 5 months later, everything was normal. My blood cholesterol was already normal.
My experience with this ozonized water sa dengue case, meron ako female child at 12 years old. Then her platelet count was 18,500. When I introduced the ozonized water at that day, it was so amazing that after 6 hours taking the ozonized water, the platelet count goes up. It went up to 61,000 millimeter per cubic.
Namit ko yung Ozonizer dahil dun sa kasama ko na may cancer. And ayoko maniwala noon. But tinaningan yung kaibigan ko na pinatake namin ng 2 buwan. And it lasted hanggang buhay pa siya dahil sa tulong ng Ozonizer.
I suffered a mild stroke years back. The doctors advised me to have that daily maintenance. But thanks God, and I was able to use and drink this oxygenated water. Right after some months of drinking this water, all my laboratory exams and diagnostic findings were back to normal.
I was stricken with gout arthritis. It is a metabolic disease that strikes me for more or less around 17 years na ngayon. Ozonizer introduces to me. I tried this water alone. At nakita ko na kung gaano ito nag-workout sa akin. After pagtitake ng napakadaming iba't ibang uri ng products na alam ko na lahat hindi umepekto.
Anak ko po, lagi siya nagkaka-tonsillitis. Kung magkaroon siya ng tonsillitis halos 3 to 4 times a year. Ang sabi ng pedyo niya, kailangang inaagapan kasi pagkatamas yung infection, pero pwede siya magkaroon ng sakit sa bato or rheumatic heart disease. Nag-ozonize ako ng water for 5 minutes sa isang baso, then pinagargle ko siya. Every 30 minutes, nire-repeat ko yon. So, after that, nag-ozonize din ako ng water na para pag natulog siya at nagising, pinaiinom ko rin siya. Kinabukasan, wala yung wala na yung sakit sa leeg. Sa case naman po ng husband ko, meron po siyang severe asthma attack. So, nagtitake na po siya ng steroids at saka matataas na dosage ng antibiotics. Wala nang effect sa kanya yung mga ordinaryong inhaler or yung nebulizer. Walang effect yon. Pero ang ginawa lang po namin, combination din ng food supplement ng LFSI, yung Life Enhancer, grapeseed, at saka ng newly ozonized water. Ngayon kung makita niyo po yung husband ko, kung dati po inaatake siya ng asthma na 3 times a day at nag-i-steroid siya, ngayon atakihin man siya ng asthma niya once a week or minsan twice a month, tapos ano lang, inhaler lang, okay na. Talagang totally pong nawala yung pag-take niya ng steroids. In 2 years time, talagang bumalik yung, unti-unting bumabalik yung katawan niya. Naalis na yung parang kulay gray yung skin niya, tumaba na rin siya ng konti, at yung atake ng asthma talaga na-lessen.
Yung kaso ko po about sa heart dahil nag-prolapse po yung right valve ko. So yung doktor ko po, ang sabi niya na kahit inumin ko lahat yung gamot na pinainom niya, kung wala namang exercise 30 to 1 hour every day, so useless lang din yung gamot. Nakarinig po ako ng ozonizer. Nung narinig ko po na mag-produce po siya ng oxygen, so bumili po ako kaagad. Then in 3 weeks time, napansin ko po, dahil noong una po, maninigas po ako pag nagagalit, tapos sumasakit po yung likod ko, palaging namamasahe. Then, nung uminom po ako ng tubig from ozonated water po, gumagaling po siya, unti-unting nawawala yung sakit sa katawan at saka yung paninikip sa dibdib. Kaya magaling po yung ozonizer para sa akin.
Since I am 6 years old, meron akong problema sa kidney. Marami akong crystallized mineral sa aking ihip. Makes me prone to urinary tract infection. Pero nung natagpuan namin yung ozonizer using the gadget, ozonizer 2C, biglang nawala yan at sa aking family, yung anak ko, yung panganay, which is almost monthly din siya sinusumpong ng kanyang tonsillitis, ay nawala.
One of our sons then were supposed to be to go under procedure and for bone marrow. The ozonizer came, and after that, since then, I mean, our children have grown stronger and healthier, and they are now very active boys. And from there also, we started to promote the product to our friends and shared it to many. And we are so blessed to see our friends enjoying the same benefits from the Life Formula Ozonizer.
LFSI has a well-designed marketing plan, an incentive program, where you earn not only from your personal sales, but also from your group sales volume. It is unique because it has a modest start-up cost for you to become a distributor. Your income is continuous for as long as you always make the sales.
Sa LFSI ko lang po na, kumbaga, dito ko lang po kumita ako ng hindi ka panipaniwala. Kumbaga, unbelievable po yung nangyari po sa buhay namin. Healthy na po kami at saka kumikita rin po kami dahil po sa Life Formula Synergy, itong product po na Ozonizer 2C machine.
When using the product, kahit pa paano, when you're relating the product, the income nandoon. Actually, it's not the income anymore eh. Helping people to gumaling, ganyan. Marketing plan naman eh hindi napakahirap gawin. Basta kung ayaw mo ng tao, you can have it buy and sell lang. So bili ka ng product, tapos sell it, ganon. Kung wala ka naman tao, so it's a direct selling, pwede yun.
Then about naman po sa income, talagang nakakatulong po siya dahil naka-income po ako ng almost 50,000. Ay kung bababa man siya, pero nakakatulong din siya sa buong family.
When it comes to financial benefit, marami na rin may tulong ang company dahil sa marketing system nito. marami po kaming, hindi namin sinasabing sobrang marami, kundi it will be enough sa aming family at may mga konting savings.
Kinita ko dito sa Ozonizer sa pagbibenta ko, i-compare do sa garments manufacturer, ako na for almost from 1992, dito po talaga ang laki ng kinita ko.
More than 2 years na sa company, marami na rin akong na-achieve na rin. Kagaya nung actually, nakakuha na rin tayo ng sasakyan. Of course, with the help of the company, with the help of all my group here.
The opportunity to earn is also a privilege for us. Starting a family is not that easy, but then with Life Formula, it gave us a chance to achieve our dreams and to be able to share this also to others, not just to us but to our family and friends also.
I stopped practicing my profession when I got married. However, with the increasing cost of living, I find it necessary to look for a part-time. And so, ito ngayon nakita ko, itong LFSI, wherein atin yung oras ko, hindi ako minamadali, wherein dito ko rin nakita na meron ditong equal opportunity. Kaya, thank you sa LFSI and more power.
Ini-invite po namin lahat kayo ngayon na nakikinig. I-try niyo po yung product natin. Talagang makikita natin kung gaano kaganda yung produkto. Itong produkto na to kumbaga, sulit talaga yung ating investment.
When you love a person, of course, you share the product. No matter how, kasi ganun ako, kapag may masakit yung isang tao, nagkakandara pa ako. Ito, I share it immediately. So kahit ako ay for one, pag nakita kong may sakit yung tao, binibigay ko na yung product, I share. Hindi lang yung using the product, I really give the product, the Ozonizer. Kaya ang mga blessings naman, ang dami. So ganun bumabalik rin yung blessings.
So, kung iisipin po natin yung presyo, talagang hindi po tayo makakabili. Pero kung iisipin po natin yung benefit behind the price, talagang, kasi kung ma-hospital po yung isang miyembro ng pamilya, hindi lang naman po 18,000 ang gagastusin natin. At hindi lang naman minsan magkakasakit yung isang miyembro ng pamilya. Kami talagang in 2 years time po malaki ang natipid namin. Nakaipon din kami kahit papaano, na dati talagang yung perang kailangang maglaan ka para sa pagpapa-hospital. Pero dito po talagang napapasalamat kami ng malaki at nakilala po namin yung Ozonizer.
I will highly recommend sa every family. Kung meron man dapat na paglaanan ang every family, walang iba kundi yung Ozonizer 2C natin.
It's really true na health is wealth. Kahit may pera ka, masakitin ka. Hindi yung pera. Problema yun.
So I would say that it came as a lifesaver, and we would like to share this to all of our friends, and like to share it to almost everybody that we come across with.
I recommend LFSI Business Marketing and Plan. Definitely yes, because it provides your path to health and wealth for better life, better future for the family.